One of the last things right now that we're working on that's in production is what we call our Green Touch controller. Now earlier I showed you the ppm meters, the photocell that worked in conjunction with the GreenTrol. What this is going to do is eliminate that ppm meter and the photocell, and also it's going to be a line leak detector as well as an automatic shutoff. So this is going to have multiple uses, but it's also going to have Ethernet capability where we can put this into your location, and we can monitor using this how you're doing as far as if there's leaks. We can send it to fire departments, we can get an email, we can know when you are getting low on CO2. What this will do, it does have the photocell built into it. It does have high and low ppm readings built into it, and you can actually set your flow rates into the room. You can set how long you want the line monitor to check. So what the line monitor means is there's a flow switch in here that's going to detect flow out of your tanks into your rooms at a constant pace. If you set it for 5 minutes, and for whatever reason CO2 is flowing through these tanks for more than 5 minutes, that's going to automatically shut off the system and shut off the CO2 flow into your rooms. The purpose of that is, we've had a lot of customers that come to us, say, man, they call us, they say, I just got up this morning, I came into work, I have no CO2, I had a syrup bag run empty, or there was a leak somewhere, and all my CO2 has run out of my tanks. So that's one very nice aspect of this unit, is that it's going to pick up any leaks throughout your building. Doesn't matter, it won't tell us exactly where the leak is at for sure, but all it's going to do basically is just detect and monitor for leaks so that you do not run out of CO2 at a crucial time. And also, obviously, if there's a leak, we want to fix that so you don't have any danger to your employees, your customers, or yourself. So this basically is going to take the place of 3 different items that we have right now in one nice controlled unit, where you can basically control everything in your business from one box. Now, I don't know where you are right now, but in Denver, they have laws, and it's already come to Fort Collins as well, that if you have over 100 pounds of CO2 on premises, you need to have an alarm system, you need to have a ppm detector, and you need to have an availability to shut off your system if there is a leak. That's what this box will allow you to do and allows us to do. What we have right now with the ppm meters and with the photocell, and we do have a shutoff, as I mentioned, you will see later, does allow us to do that same thing right now. This is just an upgrade to that. The Denver Fire Department tells us they're kind of the leader in the pack, and the whole nation is kind of looking at them to figure out what they're going to do as far as their laws. They have come to us. We worked with them for a year to perfect this kind of thing that they want, and right now we're the leader in that. They are not allowing anybody else to put any systems out there, because we have a whole package and no one else has a package like ours to detect leaks, shut off a system, and keep people safe, quite honestly. So they say Arizona's already looking at Denver. It's going to spread throughout the United States pretty quick. So if you don't have laws in your state right now, eventually you will, and this is something that you're going to.